We have some big breaking news coming in from Tamil Nadu. AIDMK now files a complaint against DMK candidate Udayanidhi Stalin for wearing a party badge while voting. This comes as DMK too has moved election commission against BJP candidate Khushbu Sundar for having BJP flag on her car when she arrived to cast her vote. Some scuffle there right during voting in Tamil Nadu. We're looking at both the parties warring, AIDMK and the DMK complaining to the election commission over violation of poll code of conduct. AIDMK complains that DMK candidate Udayanidhi Stalin is wearing a party badge while voting. This comes as DMK, on the other hand, has moved the election commission complaining against BJP candidate Khushbu Sundar for having BJP flag on her car when she arrived to cast her vote. Let's be cut across to Akshanatha live to join us with those details. Akshay, here's a war of words there and complaints now being raised with the election commission. The AIDMK accusing Udayanidhi Stalin of wearing a party badge, a symbol with the a badge with the party symbol while he casts his vote, which is a violation of poll code of conduct, while Khushbu Sundar arrives to the polling booth with a BJP flag on her car.
Well, yes, Nabila, what we're seeing here in the state of Tamil Nadu is not just war of words, but then we're also seeing that now, at the time of the election, we're seeing multiple complaints being given by different factions here. Now the DMK has filed a complaint with the election commission stating that Khushbu Sundar has violated the code of conduct by coming in a car which had the BJP flag. And similarly, the AIADMK has alleged a complaint against Udayanidhi Stalin for wearing a shirt which had the Rising Sun symbol on his t-shirt, and these are code violations is what the respective parties have been saying. And from the time of elections beginning itself, we've been seeing a lot of war of words between the BJP and the AIADMK and the DMK, and at this point on the day of the election we're seeing that it is still ongoing with multiple complaints being registered against one another. And what is going to really happen is something that we'll have to wait and watch. But Nabila, very interestingly, we have to remember that people of Tamil Nadu have been coming in large numbers and voting, and that is
right.
What is important on this day. This is the day where they can go ahead and do the democratic
right, absolutely.
right of casting.
Let's see how the election commission there takes up these complaints there. Thank you very much, Akshay, for joining us. I'm going to quickly cut across to West Bengal.